Well, it's getting a little tougher with the electricity. Both generators are out. The guy who was going to help me didn't show up. He was a little hungover. Friday, it's now Sunday, and I'm at a little church. Hi. Yeah, you're a little pushy, you know that? Yeah, but you're a lovely doggy. And, okay, back off. And, I showed up here at 8 to start charging this little device I have, this battery pack. And I should have brought over an extension cord and a charger for my camera and my phone, because my phone is now dead. And I was at a store for a while, but they're closing. So I'm out of phone contact, and my little battery thing is at 88%. It's a borrowed battery thing. I should just pay that guy for it because he's been lending it to me forever. So that's kind of ridiculous. I mean, he's got his own electricity figured out. He's off grid as well. And and I got some tools I can try and fix my generator with, but I don't have any oil. One of them probably is the oil. The other one's probably the spark plug, but I can't remove the spark plug unless I find the tool, and the tool is not in the spot I put it, that I thought I put it, which apparently I didn't. So that makes things a wee bit difficult. And that battery pack is not going to last very long with my internet connection because it uses a lot of power. Starlink. That uses about 40 watts. My laptop uses about 40 watts. And so I'll be able to charge those up briefly. And, oh, and it's a Jackery 300, not 3000. So whatever a 3000 is, it's way better than this thing. This is tiny, tiny, tiny. Like, I'm trying to survive on this. It's very difficult. And, yeah, difficult. I have no agreement with that guy to show up anytime soon. And I can't carry shit that heavy that far. It's 5 kilometers, so I gotta call the company that has the batteries I need and get them to tell me what batteries I need to buy. And I do have a little bit of money in my pocket, so the problem is that I'm gonna have to order those batteries. And I also am kind of out of food, so kind of need a ride to get to town for food. I mean, I can walk in and survive on whatever food, but I don't know, it's getting to be a little tight. It's fine. It's all a puzzle. I enjoy it, I guess. I mean, it's all pretty funny.